President Trump, I woke up yesterday and half the internet had vanished. Even my team couldn't stream a video. Netflix, Reddit, everything down. What actually happened?
Well, PM Modi, it was massive. Probably the biggest AWS outage we've ever seen. One tiny DNS misconfiguration took down DynamoDB, AWS's big fancy database, across the US East region. Over 2,500 companies went offline, lost billions, a total disaster.
Just one database caused that much chaos? Were all these companies really so dependent on it?
Not entirely PM Modi, but AWS services are all connected. S3 stores data there. Lambda uses it. API Gateway saves its rules there too. So when DynamoDB failed, the whole chain collapsed. A domino effect.
But I thought AWS had those backup systems, redundancy, availability zones to prevent this sort of breakdown.
They do. Each AWS region has multiple availability zones with their own power and networking, but this time it was a regional DNS failure. It hit every zone in the US East region at once. Those backups can handle hardware crashes, not a bad configuration that knocks everything out together.
I see. But if they fixed the DNS issue, why did everything stay down for so long?
Good question, PM Modi. They fixed the main problem within 2 hours. But by then, a massive backlog had built up millions of Lambda functions, SQS messages, all waiting in line. When AWS came back online, it was like opening traffic after a big jam. Everything tried to move at once.
Couldn't companies avoid that by splitting their systems across regions or even clouds?
Some do. Netflix, for example, runs drills for this exact scenario. But multi-region or multi-cloud setups are insanely expensive. You need double the infrastructure.
So essentially, we have built the internet's foundation on one big risk and everyone just hoping it doesn't break again.
You're absolutely right, PM Modi. We're stuck with concentrated risk, but good engineering can reduce it.
Sounds like cloud computing needs a little bit of Make in India reliability, President Trump.
Maybe PM Modi, but if AWS moved to India, I'd call that one tremendous deal. Of course, we'd have to talk tariffs. Can't let all that cloud business leave American soil for free. You know me. I love a fair deal.
President Trump, in India, we believe in win-win. Your clouds can stay American, but let the sunshine of innovation be global.
Well said, PM Modi. You talk trade like a true businessman. Maybe I should have made you my trade advisor back then.